it's Megan with WTI. I personally cannot stand body lotions that feel really noticeable and just there on my skin. Maybe you know what I mean. But that is not the case at all with this Necessaire body lotion. For one thing, it has this really simple back to basics container design that I love. And the lotion is not heavy at all. It is super lightweight and it absorbs into my skin really quickly. And I've had products in the past that have been labeled as fragrance-free, but they still have this strange chemical fragrance to it. But I can honestly say that I have found this lotion to be truly fragrance-free. It lightly moisturizes and it leaves my skin feeling really comfortable and fresh. I love using it anytime when my skin needs a little extra hydration. And I also really like using it as part of my pre-self-tan preparation. I just use it on the dry areas of my body, like my elbows and my knees, and it prevents my self-tanner from becoming too absorbed in those areas. I have found this Necessaire body lotion to provide the perfect amount of moisture for my skin. And that's my point of view.